Good morning children, welcome back to Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. This is your mathematics period. Today we continue the chapter 11 Algebra and we will discuss the topic rules from geometry and rules from arithmetic. In geometry we have learned the formulae like area, perimeter, etc. And in arithmetic we have learned the properties like commutativity, distributivity, etc. These all are actually the applications of algebra. Let us learn the topic now. Okay. We can continue the exercise problems from this chapter. Question number 8. Leela is Radha's younger sister. She is 4 years younger than Radha. Write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age. Take Radha's age to be X years. This is the question. Here we can assume age of Radha is X. Then how we will relate with Leela's age? Here age of Radha is X. Her sister Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Younger than means it should be subtracted from Radha's age. Then Leela's age will be X minus 4. Understood? Leela's age will be X minus 4. So we can write Radha's age X, Leela's age 4 years younger than Radha. So it should be subtracted. So it is X minus 4. Understood? Next question. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. We don't know how many laddus she has given, but she has given some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, that means the variable is L. How many laddus did she make? Some laddus she distributed and 5 laddus are remaining there. How many laddus did she make? How we will calculate? The distributed laddus plus 5. Okay. Distributed laddus, suppose it is L. So L plus 5 laddus she has made. Understood? That means for L we can take any number. That is the importance of variable. We can substitute any value for L. If the mother had distributed 25 laddus, then how many laddus did she make? 25 plus 5. Remaining laddus 5. So 30 laddus. In this way we can give any value to the variable L. So we can number of laddus gave away or distributed is L. Remaining laddus 5. Total laddus she made is equal to 5 plus L. So here L is the variable. Next topic is rules from geometry. Some rules we are using in geometry. We can check that rules in which we are using the concept of algebra. Here, perimeter of a square having side L. What you have learnt? Perimeter of square 4 into side. Here side the variable L. Here side is the variable L. Then 4 into L, 4L. Okay. Next, perimeter of a rectangle having length L and breadth B is, what will be? Length L, breadth B. We know that 2 lengths and 2 breadths for a rectangle. So 2 into L plus 2 into breadth. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, that is 2 into L plus 2 into B. 2L plus 2B. Here L and B are the variables and we can substitute or we can assign any value for this L and B. if the different length and different breadth for different rectangles, we can find the perimeter using this formula. Actually, this is an application of algebra. You have learned in smaller classes this formula. Actually, it comes from the concept of algebra. Understood? Next, rules from arithmetic. In arithmetic, we have learned some properties. Properties for whole numbers. Do you remember that? 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. 4 plus 6 equal to 6 plus 4. Which property was it? Commutativity of whole numbers. Here we can generalize using a and b, the variables a and b. How? We can write a plus b equal to b plus a. Then we can assign any value for this a and b, and we can say like this: 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, or 4 plus 6 equal to 6 plus 4, like that. Okay. So, in this way we can generalize a formula for arithmetic also. A plus b equal to b plus a, commutativity for addition. Commutativity of multiplication will be a into b equal to b into a. A into b equal to b into a. This is an application of algebra. We can use this concept in the distributivity of numbers also. A into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Here a, b, c are the variables, and we can assign any value for these variables. Based upon this, we can do exercise 11.2. The side of an equilateral triangle is L. Express its perimeter. Equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal. In an equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal. If one side is L, three sides will be L. Length of three sides will be L. Then perimeter L plus L plus L, that means 3 into length of one side. So it is 3 into L, 3L. Formula to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with side L. If we use the length of the side as A, it will be 3 into A. Understood? Next one, the side of a regular hexagon is L. One side is L. Express the perimeter using L. Regular hexagon means the hexagon of equal sides. All the sides will be equal in length. So its sides sum will be L plus like that 6 sides. Perimeter will be 6 into side, 6 into L, 6L. Okay. Next question. The diameter of the circle is D. Diameter is denoted by D. Express it in terms of radius R. We know that diameter is the double of radius. Diameter is the double of radius. So, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 times radius. Radius is R. So, we can substitute 2 into R, 2R. Therefore, D is equal to 2R. So, children, we are studying some formula, but all formulas are the application of algebra. Understood? Refer the textbook and study well. Thank you, children.